Hello and welcome back to KC Grandpa Tech, where this geeky grandpa talks about tech reviews, tech solutions, and all kinds of fun stuff. Hey, today I want to talk to you about what happens when you decide to upgrade your monitor or your TV, and you have thrown away the stand. You forgot about it, and now you have to mount it somewhere, put it somewhere, do something with it. Well, I'm going to talk to you about a particular brand of stand that I think you'll really enjoy. Multi-versatile, will handle up to a 32-inch TV or monitor. So before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's get into it right now. So what the monitor stand that I'm talking about is from Hemudu. I'll get you all the information in the description. And what it is allows you to connect a 13-inch to a 32-inch TV or monitor with a vesa mount in the back, and it has multiple holes, which we'll get into, allowing you to mount various types of mounts. The other nice thing about it is you can mount the monitor vertical or horizontal and at various heights. So I'm going to get into unboxing it, looking into it, and we'll get to that right now. The monitor stand we're going to be using for our TV computer monitor stand is made by Hemudu. I may be pronouncing it incorrectly. It has two stands in a box. Very durable. Very well made. I'm going to take it out of the box. We're going to put it together and give you an idea what it's made out of. Now, this particular package for this manufacturer, this is extremely well made. It will handle up to from a 13-inch to a 32-inch TV monitor stand, and it comes with a wide variety of screws and bolts to match that, including spacers. That is really good. On top of that, your vesa mount, most vesa mounts have maybe one size or two size. This has all three sizes of vesa mount, so it will match just about any TV or monitor that you possibly have right now. The mount that this goes on, the arm, is adjustable, so you can adjust it whatever height you have, and then I guess I will show you, you can rotate the entire monitor vertical or horizontal. But that's really good. And the stand is made out of a glass material, but very professionally looking. Now, as you can see, I've assembled it. You can see the version of how it will look with the monitor. Basically, the stand is adjustable in height, and then it locks with a screw that comes out in the back. Now, of course, the nice thing about this being separable like that is you will be able to mount this directly to the monitor, and then just click it in place. Now, the stand, of course, comes with rubber feet, and it comes with a cable capture. Pretty good. I'll give you my final thoughts. In all, this unit, made by Hemudu, is excellent. Again, it product review is 13 to 32 inches. Can handle up to 77-pound monitor or TV, and it can be mounted either vertically or horizontally. And you can adjust the height up and down. And because of the weight of the base, it is most excellent because it will hold that TV from tipping. So again, if you want to mount a screen just vertically or horizontally, this is the way to go. If you've misplaced your stand and you're replacing your monitor, this is the way to go. I will leave you the description in the description of the product in my notes. I do not leave Amazon links. The reason is because I've had so many complaints that after I leave the link, it changes and everybody goes, your link don't work, your link don't work. So now I don't do that. Anyway, you guys have a great day. This is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech out. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll be back with more product reviews, more tech, more fun stuff.